my channel for yet another video, and today I have something really interesting to share with you guys through this vlog. I am so excited because Becca Cosmetics is now launching in India the holy grails of glow. I think this is one of the most beautiful products that's launching in India, and I can't wait to be a part of it. And yes, so that's launching in India, and I'm so excited to be a part of the virtual event that's happening. And plus we'll have Kaushal Beauty with us, who is a UK based beauty vlogger, and I'm sure you guys are aware of Kaushal, and I have been following her religiously for past I think 2 years now, when she started doing her makeup. And you know, I've always admired her beauty and can't wait for her to be on the panel as well. And plus we'll also have Matthew, who is a global educator for Becca Cosmetics, and can't wait to see some amazing so crazy. So get ready to get the glow, as I don't have any highlighter currently on my face, but you will see me glowing in just a bit. So it's gonna start at 6 p.m. and right now it's 5:45. So we're gonna head downstairs, set up my camera and set up everything, and then we'll move with the vlog.
Mission will resonate with the Indian consumer. We're all obsessed. We thank you for all of your incredible support and your love. We cannot wait
What I like to do is be very big gloss. Not only do I have facial hair too, that kind of like limits my real estate.
Okay guys, so we just got done with the event, and it was so incredible to be a part of it. And there were so many. So before I left, you guys did not see this glow, but right now you can see me glowing. So I'm gonna basically just show you guys what the product we got in the Becca's box, and it's gonna launch on 1st of October on Nykaa and Nykaa store. So I'm just going to be giving you guys a little bit of a brief of what the products we have received, so that you guys will have a little bit of an idea what's coming your way. Just a little glimpse of it. It's much more than that. So once you open the package, the first thing which you see, oh my god, just a second. So the first thing we have is the letter which we got from Becca, and this is, you know, written for moi, for Margie. And we have these beautiful ladies. We have Malvika, we have Debashri. We have these beautiful people, and then we have a lot of information about the product itself. So yeah, so it's going to be available on Nykaa.com and Nykaa Lux stores. So I'm so excited to be a part of it. So once you open, this is what the packaging looks like. Really beautiful. So this is what the packaging, okay, so this is what we have received. So I'm going to give you guys just a little glimpse of what the products are, so you guys will have a little bit of an idea. So the first product which we have is this this is the Becca First Light priming filter instant complexion refresher, and this is a primer, so it comes with a pump like that. And the packaging is really sleek, and the bottle is really good. But I'm going to talk about everything in detail with you guys in the next video, where I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this is the Becca Backlight priming filter. This is a basic, like a liquid illuminator. I think this is more for, I think what Kaushal and Matthew said, that this is meant for this. Everything is meant for all skin tones, but if you don't want a backlight finish, like a black, like a flashback, I think this is something which you need to go for, because this has a golden undertone, and plus it gives you guys a little bit of a you know, a glow to the brown skin. I think it looks so good. It gives you that luminous glow, luminous effect. I think this is perfect for that. Then the next product which we have is this powder right here. So to set it underneath, you can see I have absolutely no creasing whatsoever. So we have is this this is the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. So this product is actually water based, so which I was actually really excited to hear that this is actually water based, and this is not you know, normal powder finish, but this gives such an amazing finish to the skin. I feel like this is so good, and really nice. So it comes in a translucent color like that, perfect for all skin tones. You don't have to worry about that. Then the next thing which we have is this two products right here, which is a highlighter. So I'm going to show you guys which one I have used. So Kaushal and Matthew have used they have used Moonstone, and I have used Opal. So yeah, so the Moonstone, this is what the Moonstone looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. Again, you guys know Becca does amazing with packaging. So this is what the beautiful highlighter, and I think this is such a beautiful, and plus it does not give you that back finish, like it gives you a luminous glow from inside and not from outside. I think this is perfect, and it does not flutter around anywhere. So that's what I really like in a highlighter. It does not flutter everywhere. Then the next is my favorite, which is Opal, which I have used on my skin. This is what opal is. So opal is much more of a I would say this is much more of a golden tone, and moonstone is a bit more on a whiter tone. So both of them works for both skin tones. That's totally your preference and choice. Then the next is we have is the mini for Becca's Champagne Pop. So Becca's ultimate product was Champagne Pop, and I think this is such a beautiful product, and you know, this is so good. And plus with every product you get a mirror on the top, which is amazing. So, and Becca Cosmetics to be launching in India, and thank you so much team for making me a part of it. And yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments telling me how you like this video. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, feel free to write on any of my social media platforms. I'll have them in the description box below, and I'll update you guys everything on my social media links, so you guys need to stay updated on that. So thank you so much you guys for tuning in for this video. I will see you guys next, and until then, stay confident and get, of course, glowing.